All right, everyone, this is our final video for today, and this is a really big topic. This is being able to interpret a graph of a proportional relationship, or proportional relationship is just another word for a direct proportion. So we are taking a look at this graph, and you should always start with understanding what the graph's about. And they gave you a little blurb here. So you've got Hannah and Nancy, and they're going to a farmer's market to buy some pineapples. Just a typical Saturday for Hannah and Nancy. And this graph below is talking about the number of pineapples and the cost of the pineapples. So we're going to take a look at some of the features of this graph and answer some questions. So the first question is this a direct proportion? Well, right off the bat, you've got two qualifications to be a direct proportion in a graph. You have to come out of the origin and you have to be a straight diagonal line. And this graph meets both of those qualifications. So we know the answer to that question is yes, this is a direct proportion. If so, what's the k? Well, every direct proportion has a constant, so we're going to use our awesome formula to find the k. K equals y over x. Now, you can pick any point on this graph, but we think it is the simplest idea to pick the point right down here where the number of pineapples is 1. And that's because if you pick that one, you are dealing with your unit rate right off the bat. So our point is 1, 2. I really want my stylus, guys. So if x is 1 and y is 2, what will that make the k? Well, let's go back up here and do a little bit of work. So that means that the k is equal to 2 over 1. Which equals 2, okay? And you could have done that with any point on that graph, and you would have gotten a k of 2. Now, can you write a direct proportion equation? Oh, yeah, because you guys are experts at this. There it is. Y equals kx. You're going to substitute the k for 2. Boom. Y equals 2x is your direct proportion equation for that graph. What does the k represent in this scenario? Well, what are we talking about, guys? We're talking about Hannah and Nancy buying some pineapples, right? And not only are we looking at pineapples, we're looking at the cost of those pineapples. So our K is always going to be that unit rate or that unit price. And in this scenario, it's the cost per pineapple. The cost per pineapple is $2, okay? All right, guys, that's your final video. I'll talk to you later.